When a child is brutally murdered, how can you say it's a gang fight? Stop lie about it. You're here to protect us. Why are you killing us?
Ngemuva kwetinyanga kubulawe indvodzana yakhe Nathaniel Julies, make wakhe Bridget usakhala namuhla. Umbutho longaphenduleke ngilona ambulalelana umntwanakhe emaphoyisa. Umphakathi amango kwamukele kwendeka kwalesigameko.
How can you justify a young innocent boy, 16-year-old, that does nobody nothing, just wants to see the lights of the police van, run to them because they are the state, they are the symbol of the community. They are the people that needs to protect us. Run to them. You just get out of your van and you feel like I'm in control. I'm the boss here. And take an innocent boy away brutally. When I say brutally, I mean brutally.
Umphakathi uthi kubulawa ngesihluku Nathaniel kufute kube into lengakhohlwa. Lo mphakathi awuthuthuteki nanobe kunemaphoyisa lamathathu labukene emacala ebulala lo mfana. Lomunye umndeni lesolo ungakutholi ukuphumula emoyeni ngilona wa Collins Khosa. Ngemhla lelishumi kumabasa umnyakeni lophelile Khosa washona ngemva kokuhlaselwa ngemasotsha ngesikhathi kuvalwe lelive. Ngemuva kweminyaka ashonile Tindzaba kabi malula.
Vutomi bya yena byi cince swinene since baba bayisiyini.
Our lives have changed completely since he left us. There is no joy anymore. There is no communication with children. We don't know how to advise the children as they miss their father.
Gamuva kube indzaba yokubulawa kwaMthokozi Tindzaba lobulewe ngesikhathi kunembhikisho wetitshudeni. Nalapho kusafuna timphendvulo.
Ubuti left the house in the morning, a good doctor. This is his home. These are the brothers. He's got kids. He was not part of any protest. It was not any of his plan. And to find out, in the news and getting the calls afterwards and having to relate the two was very shocking and devastating for us as a family.
Imindeni labakhahlamedekile isele ayinatimphendvulo iyadibuta ukuthi ngabe tigameko talolu hlobo tiyawuphela nini.